Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to post a public story on Snapchat. So if you want to post a public story that will be visible to those who are not your friends, here's how to do it. Open your Snapchat, swipe up and go to your camera rolls. Pick the pictures you want to post. Click on send. Instead of friends only, choose public. Click on send. If you want to see the public story, go to your profile, click on public profile, and click on your profile picture. You will see the public story. Everybody can see it, even those who are not your friends. That's how you post a public story on Snapchat. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.